morning. So, fair ba mag-start sa $3 pag mag-start ka maging VA? Is it a fair starting salary ba per hour? For me, if galing ka sa call center na below 20,000 yung sahod mo, for me, fair na siya. Depende naman kasi yung sahod mo sa yung starting salary mo sa previous experience mo eh. Pero if you think na magaling ka, like yung a-applyan mo sales and sobrang galing mo sa sales, like halimbawa galing kang Asurion o galing kang Transcom, sobrang lala ng sales dun eh, yung metrics and all. Feeling ko hindi siya fair. Feeling ko kailangan mo mag-start sa $5 kasi sa sarili mo, alam mo naman yung capacity mo eh. If ano ba, fair ba sa akin yung $5 o $3 per hour. Pero if nag-start ka lang talaga, like customer service na role, yung mga simpleng role lang, I think it is fair. $3 is fair. Pero normally talaga, in the VA industry, yung starting salary per hour talaga is 5. And then, nakadepende na yan if may kontrata kayo ng client mo na, you know, may increase ka after a year or after 6 months, nakadepende din yan sa performance mo. But, I would say $3 fair siya kung nagsa-start ka pa lang. And then while you know learning after 3 months or 6 months, then mag-ask ka na ng salary increase. So yun, $3 is fair if you're just starting out, and then after 6 months or a year you can ask for a raise. If gusto niyo mga question and answer na ganito, you can message me if you have questions that you want me to answer, and I'll take a video for you. You know, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow. Thank you.